they're not getting it, guys. They're not getting it, but never mind. Now watch this. Ladies and gentlemen, what you're about to see is the theatrical version. I'm very lucky I've got an audience. I'm also very lucky I've got money in the bank. Why have I got money in the bank? Because I work hard and I'm single. Why am I single? I've got 3 votes. Never mind, we won't go there. Now watch. So ladies and gentlemen, watch this. Harry! Do me a favour, buddy. Catch the ball, mate. Catch the ball, buddy. Catch the ball. Ha! Oh! Harry, look at this. It's not in my hands. It's on top of the cup. Ladies and gentlemen, the theatrical version is simple. All the way from the film The Moulin Rouge. A song sung by Ewan McGregor, sung by Elton John, written by Bernie Taupin. It's called Your Song. Listen to the words, watch the action, see how they come together. And can you please fill up that gap for me, please? My friends was being had to leave. Thank you very much. 5 minutes of our life left together. Are we ready? Oh, come on, let me know. Give it to me and I'll give it to you. Are we ready? It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. Well, it would be. I've just swallowed a balloon. You'll catch on. I'm not one of those who can easily hide. I know, right? I know it's not much, and it's the best I can you see from there, ladies and gentlemen? Best I can do. Best I can do. And this is my trick, and this one's for you. Now you can tell everybody if you can go on, if you can cry about it. Now that it's gone, I hope you don't mind. I hope you don't mind that I put it down in words. How beautiful this trick is. Now you're in my world, come on, Edinburgh. Let me hear you! Now watch! My friend over there with the dark jacket on, the blue jeans and the what's your name, sir?
Ryan.
I'm not going to pick on you, man. I'm just going to ask you for your help. Stay where you are, Ryan. Where are you from?
Carne.
Sorry?
Carne.
Carne, all right, brilliant.